Today, I'm cooking one of my favorite Italian dishes, baked penne. I found this recipe years ago, made it for my father. He absolutely loved it. Since then, I kept making it. I absolutely love it. I believe that you'll absolutely love it. And I'm gonna go ahead and dig in while you dig into the video. Enjoy, and I'll see you at the end. Wow, that is amazing. That is absolutely delicious. Enjoy. That was delicious. Wait, am I on?
Yes, you're on.
Sorry about that. I was enjoying one of these amazing homemade chocolate chip cookies I just got done making. You have to excuse me. If you enjoyed that video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future recipes. Oh, if you want to learn how to make these amazing homemade chocolate chip cookies, click that video right here on your screen. Until next time, enjoy.